Is Ulta Beauty. The stock, it's been stealthily climbing higher for a while now trading at all-time highs going back to the IPO in 2007. Gains picking up steam just in the last month or so. Joining us to talk about what is driving the move is Michael Baker from D.A. Davidson. What is the story here? Ulta making new highs on days that the market's rallying, but also on days, I've seen it lately, where the market is selling off and worried about recession.
Yeah, it's really been a great performer, and it's been a top idea of ours, and it's really checking all the boxes that we look for. Beauty is a great category right now. It's still benefiting from people going out a little bit more than they were during the pandemic and using cosmetics as they do that. They really don't have any inventory issues, which has been a big issue for other retailers, but not really a factor in the beauty space. They are a best-in-class retailer, which means they're taking market share. They have the right mix of new products, new innovation. They have mass and prestige, so that helps them, regardless of the economic environment. And from a financial standpoint, they keep beating estimates and raising their guidance and beating that. So despite being a really strong outperformer last year and in year to date so far this year over the first couple of weeks, it's really not that expensive of stock because the earnings keep going up.
Well, that's what I was going to ask you. After this rally of 30% in the last 12 months, how many companies can boast about that? What has that done to the valuation? And if you missed it, is it too late?
Yeah, I mean, the multiple's actually gone down over that time because the estimates have gone up even a little bit more than that. So, Ulta's never a cheap stock, but relative to where it typically trades, it's not out of bounds at all. In fact, it's a little bit below average. It's right about an average multiple for the broadline and hardline group that I cover, right around 20-21 times next 12-month consensus estimates. So, again, despite the performance, which has been spectacular, again, up 22% last year in a terrible market and outperforming again this year, the valuation really still makes sense to us here.
How vulnerable is it to a sharper consumer slowdown, if that is what we see as a result of all these rate hikes, changes in the market? How discretionary versus staple is this category in the past?
Sure. We wouldn't want to say that anything is recession immune, but we think they are a little bit more resistant than others. It is a relatively low price purchase for cosmetics. People still are going out, going to work, going back out to restaurants, doing all those kinds of social things, which typically require some cosmetics. And again, as I said earlier, their mix really helps them where they do have the prestige categories, but they also have a lot of mass brands. And that's really the beauty, if you will, of Ulta, is that diversity in that mix. And so perhaps we'll see a trade down. We haven't really seen much of it yet. Maybe there was a touch of that last quarter. But that is something that will, we think, help keep them strong, even in a little bit of a weaker economic environment.